Hello everybody, welcome to Farming English with Mr. Kabada. So today there is a new topic. The topic is about remedial questions, focusing on the three skills: communicative, speaking, and writing, and the grammar question. There are also few vocabulary words. So these questions are which are special and unique, which are not similar with the previous questions which are on air actually. All the questions are not copied from any sources. It's my original question. So try to watch the video and you will get some important pointers regarding for your remedial questions. So the first part of the question is communicative question, and the second is writing, and the third one is grammar, and the last one maybe spoken question. I'm trying to give a clear explanation for every question. I hope you will watch the video, subscribe, like, and channel. Let's write communicative part one. There is a conversation between Hewitt and Bugala. Actually, these questions are communicative. You don't have we don't have any common expression when we think of communicative. Most of the expressions are real life expressions or real life conversation expressions. So we possibly focus on which is assertive expression and which is aggressive expression, depending on the opening question or opening statement on the response actually. So that's the question, please. Yeah. Look here. I prefer remote workers. To answer the question here, we depend on the response of Bogala. Do you like working from home or hate it? The possible to ask such kind of an ambiguous or vague question, because if you ask such kind of question, this will not be the expected response, the expected answer here. You must tell me if you enjoy remote workers. Is it a kind of opening question? No. How do you feel about working from home? And the last, what do you dislike? Why do you dislike the office so much? The question doesn't touch about asking for dislikes, especially for remote work. So it's out of the distractor. Do you like it's out of the distractor? Maybe B is not also the correct answer because the question is not clear and we cannot clear response here. We cannot answer and complete response here. So how do you feel about working from home? So the answer is I prefer remote works. Yeah. ሌሎቹ በፍጹም መልስ ሊሆኑ የሚችሉ ነገሮች አይደለም። ስለዚህ appropriate ጥያቄው ይህን ሲጠይቅ I prefer remote works or I don't like or I do not that just remote works is not my preference or are not my preference ብዬ ልመልስ እችላለሁ ማለት ነው። Exact question number 2. How can I get the nearest ATM service? A stranger and boy. Maybe a stranger is a strange guy in the town. He wants an ATM service, but he doesn't know where ATM service is found. So suddenly he meets a boy and he intends to asking direction. I'm sorry, how do I get to the ATM service? I want to withdraw some money. Yeah, what's the response? Go that way and you'll find it. Go that way. Does it show clear way where the ATM is found? It's ambiguous still. Alright, walk straight for 2 blocks and then right at the bank. The ATM service is next to the pharmacy. It seems clear actually. Is somewhere near there? No, follow me, I'll take you there. No, it can't. እነዚህ አይነት መልሶች አይደለም asking directions ስንጠይቅ ለተጠየቅነው ሰውዬ የበለጠ የሚያምታታ መልስ ሳይሆን በግልጽ ቦታውን ሊያሳይ የሚችል ቋንቋ ነው መጠቀም ያለብን። ክሊር መሆን መቻል አለበት። ሁለተኛ ፎርማል መሆን አለበት። ሶስተኛ ፖላይት መሆን አለበት። ከዚህ አንፃር walk straight for 2 blocks then turn right at the bank, the ATM is next to the pharmacy is absolutely clear and meaningful expression for the given questions. ትክክለኛው መልሳቸው ነው የሚሆነው፣ ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። Question number 3. Bossy and Mumina, would you like to go out with me for a walk? All right. Would you like to go out to go out with me for a work? This question is actually an invitation question and a formal invitation. I'm afraid, blank. Hey, I won't grab dinner. No, it's not. It's not the intent of the question. Grab dinner, garbage or second-hand food grab. Absolutely agree with you. Right. Is it possible? Absolutely agree with you. Agreement. If Momina agrees with, it's not opinion actually, but invitation. But this is not the correct response for this invitation, right? አይደለም parallel አይደለም. I'm not feeling well. Exactly. Why? ለምን ሆነ? I'm afraid ማለት I do not accept the invitation, or I will not accept the invitation because I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well here. መልሳቸው ነው። ስለዚህ ይቅርታ ጥሩ ስሜት አልተሰማኝም. Maybe another time or another day. ይሄ ማለት rejecting for the invitation ነው. Rejecting means I'm sorry, I'm busy, I'm not feeling well, excuse me, maybe another time. Sorry, but I have another program, I have already engaged, right? These are unable to accept someone's invitation, which are polite and assertive expression, please. Yeah. Question number 4. The conversation is reception and caller, telephoning. Hello, this is Sheraton Addis. Reception ነው ስልክ የምታነሳው ወይም ሴክሬታሪ ማለት ነው. Hello, this is Sheraton Addis. Blank. Caller, yes please. May I speak the manager please? This is the expected true expression from the caller. Or telephoning through an office through secretary ማለት ነው. No telephoning አይደለም። ይሄ ምንድነው? በቢሮ ላይ የሚደወል ስልክ ፕሮሲጀር ነው እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳያቸው። ስለዚህ hello this Sheraton Addis ብሎ ምንድነው ማለት ያለባት? yes please, may I speak the manager please? yes ካለ በኋላ ማናጀሩን ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር ሲል ምንድነው? may I ask who is calling? yes ማን ልበል ማለቷ ነው። yes ማን እንደሆንክ ልጠይቅ እችላለሁ ወይስ ማን ልበል ማለቷ ነው. of course. hey, can I speak to Mr. Johnson please? no, this is true from the caller ነው። ይሄ አይደለ caller ነው የምንፈልገው የሪሴፕሽኑን ቀጣይ ሐሳብ ነው። I need to talk to Johnson። ይሄም አሁን የማን ነው? የኮለር ነው። tell Johnson to call me back የኮለር ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚለው? yes, may I ask who is calling please? or who is calling please? may I ask who is calling or who is calling please? ይቅርታ ማን ልበል ማለቷ ነው። right? ይቅርታ ሌሎቹ BCD expected expressions የማን ናቸው? የኮለር ናቸው፣ የሪሲቨር አይደሉም። all right, good. Question number 6. What do you think about the movie you just watched? This is an opinion question. What's your feeling? What's your opinion? How do you see? How do you feel? What's your point of view? What's your attitude? What's your perception? What do you understand? What do you know? The possible expression for asking opinion, right? So what about the response? I like to watch films. It's not the question about whether he likes or he dislikes watching films. Feeling, the question is about opinion, his personal feeling actually. Watching films are important to refresh our mind. Simply it's a general perception, not there is a specific. For me, I got more things, especially for my future career. So you're right. What the movie get is not a response, please. ለተጠየቀው ጥያቄ እንደዚህ ብዬ አይደለም መመለስ ያለብኝ። ስለዚህ ምንድነው? For me, I got more things from the movie that I watched. ካየሁት ፊልም ብዙ ነገር አግኝቼ በተለይ ለወደፊት ፊውቸር ካሪየሬ ለወደፊት የኔ ለምሰራው ሙያ ወይም ለወደፊት ለሚያጋጥሙ ነገሮች ወይም my future career very important thing አይቻለሁ። ስለዚህ his personal opinion ነው actually yeah. His personal opinion. I can develop my language expression, my vocabulary. I can know about or I can learn some more things from the characters. I can learn some more things from the theme of the movie. Theme of the movie ከሙቪው ከፊልሙ ጭብጥ ብዙ ለህይወት የሚያስተምረኝ ነገር አለ ብዬ ነው አፕሊኬሽን የምገዛው። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ይሄ ይሆናል። Question number 7. Friend, climate change is a serious issue. Climate change simply is a communicative question, of course. So what is the expected response from you? Exactly. I couldn't agree more. Agreement, yeah, exactly. I agree in some extent, right? Agree. I couldn't agree more means yes, I agree in some extent, right? You might be right. There's a possibility or probability, right? I don't know. No, that's nonsense. Very aggressive expression. We cannot say just like this, please. So I couldn't agree exactly. I couldn't agree more. The right response here, of course. Question number 8. Anna and Tim. Public transport should be free. Public transport should be free. Tim, what did you say? Confirming, yeah. That's not clear to me. All right. I see your point, but funding would be a challenge. Yes, right. Only in opinion, agreement, disagreement, and also I see your point, but funding would be a challenge, which is reluctant agreement. Yeah, or we can say that just diplomatic agreement. Yeah, diplomatic agreement. Yes, diplomatic expression, diplomatic approach. Of course, I see your point, but funding would be a challenge, of course. So that's the right answer, please. That's the right answer. አንዳንድ ጊዜ ዲፕሎማቲክ አግሪመንት ማለት ዲፕሎማቲክ ዲስአግሪመንት ዲፕሎማቲክ ሪሉክታንት አግሪመንት ሰውየው እንዳይቀየም ብለን ፖላይት ኤክስፕሬሽንን ተጠቅመን አግሪ ወይም ዲስአግሪ ስናደርግ ነው። ኦፍ ኮርስ አይ ቴክ ዩር ፖይንት ሐሳብን አግኝቼዋለሁ ወይም አይቼዋለሁ። funding will be a challenge, right? ይሄ የህዝብ ትራንስፖርት ህዝብ በነፃ እንዲጓዝ ማድረጉ ጥሩ ሆኖ እያለ ነገር ግን አንዳንድ ጊዜ ቻሌንጂንግ ነው ለመንግስት ቢሆን ቻሌንጂንግ ነው እሱ ለማለት ነው። ሐሳቡን አልተቃወመም። it is quite challenging, yeah. Question number 9. Assume you are studying for taking exit exam and your friend turns up his voice while talking, right? When you want to lower down his voice, right? The exit exam እያጠናችሁ ያላችሁ ነው የሚላችሁ። yes በአጋጣሚ ጓደኛ ድምጹን ከፍ አድርጎ ነው እያወራ ያለው ከጓደኛው ጋርና ድምጹን እንዲቀንስልህ ብትፈልግ ምንድነው ማለት ያለብህ ነው የሚጠይቅህ። how can you just tell to your friend to lower down his voice, to turn down his voice? What is the correct language expression here? Turn that down, no meaning at all. We can say just like this. Would you mind lowering your voice a little, please? 1, it must be polite. Second, the language itself is formal, okay? Your voice is too loud. No. Shut up, please. We cannot say this one anyway. The answer is B ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ actually we agree with you. Customer and manager here. The service in your hotel is poor and your hotel room is dirty. Customer from hotel, manager, let me check it, please. The manager directly start to check whether the service in the hotel is good or not, or the hotel bedroom is good, neat or not neat. And then he realized that there is a problem. The complaint is through from the customers. So you are right. This will never happen. This will not happen again. This will not happen again. Admit or accepting the complaint. Accepting the complaint. So what is the correct question from the customer, please? This room is horrible. Now, can you help me with this, please? You gave me a bad room. Clean it now. No, እንደዚህ አይነት ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ሳይሆን የሚለው the service in your hotel room and your hotel room is dirty. Can you help me with this, please? እነዚህን ነገሮች ልታስተካክል ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። Can you help me with this ማለት these are asking or making complaint ማለት ነው። Complaint, yes, complaint ማለት ቅሬታን ማቅረብ ነው። ቅሬታን Can you help me? I wonder if you help me. I'm not happy to say this, and I'm obliged to say this. I look forward to explain, to forward my complaint about this. Many expressions that I have to express to forward my complaint about the hotel, complain to any other who did wrong or who does or will do wrong, please. All right? Express. So the question is about complaint, please. These are some 10 sample model questions, especially for communicative questions, all right, communicative activities. The next part is writing skill. In informal letter to a friend, which closing is appropriate? Informal and formal letter, opening salutation, closing salutation. The language or body part of the letter is quite different from the formal. So which is the correct closing salutation for an informal letter or letter to a friend, letter to your families? Your sensory is formal letter. If you know the person who writes, warm regards, formal letter, with love, absolutely, which is an informal. And this is closing salutation for friends or for your families, please, with love. Your faithfully, formal letter. If you do not know the person that you write a letter, right? ሌሎቹ ፎርማል ሌተሮች ናቸው። ይሄኛው ኢንፎርማል ሌተር ነው። ስለዚህ እሱም ብለን እንመልሳለን ፕሊዝ። The sunset paint the sky and shades of orange, pink and purple. The waves gently killed the shore or the cold breeze, killed the sound of the shore water. This is an example of a paragraph. Narrative, persuasive, descriptive, narrative here. Actually, these are the types of paragraph writing. Narrating is narrative paragraph. Narrating a story, a bibliography, narrating of what you did in the past. So most of the time we use narrative tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So this is special for narrative, and the way that write is chronological order, time-based order, exactly. Persuasive is purpose is convincing, persuading for the readers, and the ideas are debatable, controversial idea. Controversial issues are raised and persuasive, and there are some conjectures which show persuasive conjecture or persuasive ideas. However, even though no matter, but nonetheless, conversely, these are the possible conjectures to show that the paragraph is persuasive or argumentative writing. Descriptive writing is purpose is to describe something and make a vivid image. So we should use very smart, strange, and very energetic adjectives because they have the power to make vivid image, exactly. The other is expository paragraph. Expository paragraph, yeah. It's explain or giving information. So ziga misataji. The sunset painted the sky and shades of orange, pink, purple. በቃ እዚህ ጋር ይኸውላችሁ ቅድም የተናገርኩት እነዚህ በጣም ስማርት የሆኑ ቮካብላሪ ወርድስ ናቸው። ስለዚህ እየገለጹ ያሉት ምንድነው? The sunset የሚለውን ነገር። ስለዚህ this kind of paragraph is called what? Descriptive paragraph ነው የምትሉት እንጂ expository ወይም ሌላ paragraph አይደለም please. Interesting. Yeah. Which one of the following is certain? Which one of the following word is correctly spelled? ትክክለኛውን spelling ነው። If you pronounce the word correctly, you analyze, you underline the correct spelling. If you pronounce the words wrongly, mispronounce, you cannot spell the correct spelling for the words. Yeah, that's the way, please. ከዛ ውጭ ግን ዝም ብለን ህግ ልነግራችሁ አልችልም። ይሄ በደንብ ካነበቡ ቃሉን ፕሮናንሴሽን አይጠፋንም። ካላነበቡ እንደገና ደግሞ ስፔሊንጉን በደንብ መለየት አንችልም ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ successive ሲል successive there is a problem. Yeah, there is a problem. Succession, all right. This yeah, succession, of course, ምንም ችግር የለበትም። ይሄ right ነው please. ይሄ meaningful word ነው። deceptive እዚህ ጋር ትበላለች፣ አይ ትገባለች። commitment እዚህ ጋር አይ ትጎላለች። commitment me ኢሳውንድ አለች። commitment ያ deceptive እዚህ ጋር ትጎላለች። succession ልክ ነው። successive አንድ ናቸው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ምን ሚስት ሆናል? ስ ድምጽ ሚስት ሆናለች። ስ ድምጽ ሰሰ exactly. So the problem is here, please. Yes, right. Which one of the following sentences correctly punctuated? No. Punctuation ስታስቡ think of capitalization, semicolon, colon, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, single quotation mark, double quotation mark, capital letters. All are examples of punctuation mark. They are important for writing works, please. A sentence without appropriate punctuation mark doesn't convey meaningful sentence. So it means they may occur what? Sentence errors. So punctuation play a great role for writing, especially for writing. So you can just think of all the types of punctuation marks where checking whether the statement or the sentence right or wrong, please. You cannot focus on any kind of punctuation mark, right? When do we use comma, when do we use question mark, single quotation mark, double quotation mark, and when do we use capital letter, what things must be capitalized? You also just think on በጣም ሰፊ የሆነ ነገር ይፈልጋቸዋል። ስለዚህ he asked, do you like it hamburger? The problem is here. እዚሁ ጋር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይሄ small letter ነው ተበላሸ ጉዳዩ። ሁለተኛ ዘር must be a comma በሪፖርቲንግ ቨርቡና በዚህ ሪፖርቲንግ ስቴትመንት ወይም በሪፖርቲንግ ኩዌስችን መካከል ኮማ መኖር ነበረበት የለውም። we bought pizza, burgers, chocolate and chocolate cake ነው የሚላችሁ። ኮለን አይደለም የሚያስፈልግ እዚህ ጋር ኮማ ነው። ስለዚህ ልክ አይደለም ማለት ነው። I still love hunting, however I do not like him. However conjunctive adverb ነው። it precedes with semicolon and comma ነው። እዚህ ጋር ኮማ ነው ያላችሁ። ልክ አይደለም። semicolon መምጣት አለበት። ምክንያት አለኝ። ምክንያቱም ሁለቱም ሜን ክሎዞች ናቸው። ሁለቱም በሜን ክሎዞች በኮንጀክቲቭ አድቨርብ ሲያያዙ semicolon precedes with comma ነው የሚሄዱ። ስለዚህ basically ሚስ ዶናል listen, you have to bow well today. So that's right, please. There is a comma between this one because I want to make specify, I want to emphasize about Lee. So I must identify with a comma here, Lee. And here's Lee, please. You have to bow, exclamation. This is a strong emotion, a strong feeling. So I put an exclamation mark here. And finally, well today. This is another expression. So it begins with capital letter. So the answer is here. Exactly, please. Question number 15. They are both types of birds and they live in the forest by building their nest. Yes, both birds live in the forest. Conversely, on the other hand, the smallest birds eat insects and they lay eggs. However, the bigger birds eat fruits and they use their beaks to fight with the other animals. This piece of writing can be developed through in የምታዩት ፓራግራፍ በየትኛው የፓራግራፍ አጻጻፍ አይነት የተጻፈው ነው? Classification, definition, illustration, what's called the cause and effect, comparison and contrast. Which one is the right types of paragraph writing here? የትኛውን ተጠቅመን ነው የጻፍነው ነው የሚላቸው። እንደዚህ ኤክስፔክተር ናቸው ምንድነው ናቸው? ሜትስ ኦፍ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ስለዚህ ክላሲፊኬሽን አለም ሊስት ኦፍ ካታጎሪስ እዚህ ጋር ያሉኝም ኤግዛምፕሊፊኬሽን አለም ኤግዛምፕልስ የተደገፈ ሐሳብ አይደለም ኮዝ ኢፌክት አይደለም ኮዝ ኢፌክት የሚያወራ ጉዳይ የለም ነገር ግን ኮምፓሪሽን ኤንድ ኮንትራስት ነው ኮምፓሪሽን ኤንድ ኮንትራስት ማለት ሁለት ነገሮችን ማወዳደርና ማነጻጸር ነው ተመሳሳይነታቸውን ማውራት ተቃራኒነታቸውን ማውራት ተመሳሳይነት they are both birds and they live in the forest በቃ ተመሳሳይ but they are different they use their beaks to fight with the others and they eat fruits ልዩነታቸው ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ comparison and contrast ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ interesting please the third question is grammar question please yeah there are only blank capitals left we need to buy more a few plenty of and much here adjectives of quantity a few countable some small number few countable almost no plenty of both countable and uncountable plenty of sugar plenty of trees plenty of flowers true much for uncountable for negative and for questions actually there are only blank apples left we need to buy more አሁን ጥያቄው ፍንጭ ሰጣችሁ ስለዚህ we need to buy more ካለ በቂ አይደለም ያለው ነገር ማለት ነው አይደለ በቂ አይደለም አንደኛ የሚቆጠር ነው ካውንቴብል ነው እሱ ትልቁ ነገር ነው ሁለተኛ በቂ አይደለም መልሳችሁ በከተማ አንጋት መጣላችሁ ፊው ላይ ተመጣላችሁ ማለት ነው ፊው ፖዚቲቭ ነው ማለት ነው ካውንቴብል ነው almost ነው which is close to negative meaning ማለት ከሳም ያነሰን ነምበር መጠን ስንገልጽ ነው ፊው የምትጠቀው ስለዚህ few. Don't worry, we have blank time before the train leaves. Many for countable for asking question and making negative sentence. Much ቅድም ተናገር plenty of ተናገር ያለው few of course countable ነው. Yes, the answer is much time ነው የምትሉት. Much time ማለት some time small amount not much ማለት ነው. some ማለት much ማለት don't worry ያላችሁ እዚህ ጋር okay. This the signal expression the signal word is here. Don't worry please, we have my time before the train leaves. We have my time. ምንም አትጨነቁ በሰፊ ሰዓት አለን እያለ ሌላ ነገር ልናወራ አንችልም። ስለዚህ that's the way please. Question number 80. Blank students passed the exam because it was very difficult. ስለዚህ ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ያለውን ኳንቲቲ ነው የምትጠቀሙት ያ yes right many plenty of few. Many students passed the exam because it was very difficult. Is that possible? Right? Many students passed the exam because it was very difficult. Difficult ከሆነ ብዙ ተማሪዎች አልፋሉ እንዴ? Right? A few students passed because the exam is challenging. Few students passed ነው የምትሉት few students passed. Look here. Few students passed the exam because it was very difficult. Yeah? Few must almost no. Almost no students passed the exam because the exam is tricky and heavy, complex. Right? Few must almost no. Negative meaning which is close to negative. Exactly. That's nice. The farmers start to harvest their crops here. Next question, please. Question number 90. The farmers started to harvest their crops. Blank. Yeah. Didn't they? Won't they? Shall we? Don't they? Don't we here? The question is third question basically. Third question here. We focus on the verb here. The verb is simple past main verb, or you can say that action verb, and the sentence itself is negative, positive. So the third question is a negative. ሶስት ህጎች አሉኝ። ለምሳሌ የመጀመሪያው ቢፎር ምስ ለምሳሌ ኢዝ ከሆነ ወይም አር ከሆነ ወይም አም ከሆነ መልሳችሁ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ምንድነው? ኢዝንት ነው የምንለው አይደል? ኢዝንት ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ። ኢዝንት እያላችሁ የመጀመሪያው አርንት አምንት። ሁለተኛው ዊል ካለ ወንት፣ ካን ካንት፣ ሃቭ ሃቭንት፣ ውድ ውድንት ብለን መልሳለን። and has hasn't didn't ምናልባት አረፍተ ነገሩን ልክ እንደዚህ አይነት አክሽን ቨርቦችን የሚጠቀም ከሆነ አይዘር ምን እንጠቀማለን? ዱ ዳዝ ኤንድ ዲድ እንጠቀማላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዱ ዳዝ ኤንድ ዲድ እንጠቀማለን። ይሄ አሁን ሜን ቨርብ አክሽን ቨርብ ነው። ስለዚህ ሲምፕል ፓስት ነው። አረፍተ ነገሩ ፖዚቲቭ ነው። መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው ዲድንት እንጠቀማለን። ቴክ ኬር ፕሊዝ። ዲድንት የምጠቀምበት ምክንያት ሲምፕል ፓስት አረፍተ ነገር ነው። ስለዚህ ሜን ቨርብ ነው፣ አክሽን ቨርብ ነው። ዲድ ነው ፖዚቲቭ ፎርሙ፣ ዲድንት ኔጌቲቭ ፎርሙ። ስለዚህ ዲድንት ዴይ ለምን ዲድንት ዘይ ያልኩኝ the farmers many in number ነው ብዙ ቁጥር ናቸው። ስለዚህ didn't they which are or who are 30% plural because they are I'm talking about ስለነሱ ነው እያወራ ያለው። ስለዚህ that's why didn't they ብዬ የምገልጽበት ምክንያት። question number 20. Nobody called me yesterday. Third question. Nobody called me. Take care please. Nobody by itself is indefinite pronoun which is negative meaning. All right, negative meaning, you know. So the structure or the sentence by itself is negative. አይደለ? ኔጌቲቭ ሆነ ሰብጀክቱ ማለት አረፍተ ነገሩ ኔጌቲቭ ሐሳብ አለው ማለት ነው። ኔጌቲቭ ሐሳብ አለው ማለት ፖዚቲቭ ታግ ነው የምትጠቀሙበት። ስለዚህ ዲድ ዘይ ብላችሁ የምትመልሱልኝ ዲድ ዘይ ብላችሁ የምትመልሱ አስሩ ፕሊዝ። nobody actually indefinite pronoun most of the time nobody ስትጠቀሙ he should ነው፣ ግን ኮመንሊ ስታጠቃሉት ዘይ የሚል ትርጉም ይሰጣቸዋል። ዘይ የሚል somebody someone nobody ስትሉ ዘይ የሚል ሴንስ ይሰጣቸዋል። ስለዚህ the right answer here is not they because the idea as I told you first is negative. Please. Blank yesterday that I met your brother. Yes, blank yesterday that I met your brother. It was yesterday. There was yesterday. That was yesterday. This is yesterday. No, this is I heard because I'm talking about things that happened yesterday. So it was yesterday because I want to show about the time exactly, not the person, not the event actually. It was yesterday that I met your friend. Not there was yesterday. If you say there was yesterday, it shows about there was something. Yes, there was something, one event, or there were some more things yesterday. I want to talk about events or happening events. It's better to use here. It's better to use, but I want to indicate about something that happened in a particular time in the past. It was true that happened yesterday. It was hers. It was his. it was ours, it was theirs. We can say that it was yesterday actually, because I want to indicate about a particular event, so we can say this, it was, but not there was, but not there was. Yes, blank a new laptop, not a tablet, please. Here 22, blank a new laptop, not a tablet, it is a new laptop. What she wants is, and that is a new laptop, not a tablet. There is a new tablet, not a tablet. Yeah, that's sooner or later. What she wants is a new laptop, not a tablet. አሁን እዛ ጋር ላፕቶፕን ወይም እንትን ኢንዲኬት ማድረግ አይደለም የሚፈልገው። what's she interest, what's her interest? Yes, her interest ምንድን ነው? what's her likes ማለት ነው, right? her like ምንድን ነው? so what she wants is a new laptop but not a tablet actually. So the answer is here. She spoke blank so that everyone could hear. The question is what? The question is either adjective or yes, right. She spoke blank so that everyone could hear. Clear, loud, loudly, and soft so that everyone could hear. የሚለው ነገር ምን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው? የሆነ ነገር ይፈልጋል። ሐሳቡን በግልጽ የሷን እንትን ሁኔታ እንዲያወራ ይፈልጋል። so she spoke loudly so that everyone could hear. She spoke loudly so that everyone could hear. She spoke loudly so that everyone could hear. She spoke clear, not. She spoke loud, no. She spoke soft, no. So the answer is she spoke loudly so that everyone could hear. So loudly is adverbs of manner, which indicates about in what manner did she speak, in what way did she speak actually be. If you ask in what way, it directly touches about the way she spoke, all right? The way she spoke means loudly. So it's loudly by itself is an adverb clause of manner, exactly. Yeah, 24. Blank, the project was success, yeah? Blank, the project was success. The project was success, though we had problems. Fortunately, very, quite, almost. So fortunately, exactly. Fortunately, because here there is a comma, we can say that it's a kind of adverb. What kind of adverb? Sentence adverb ነው የምትሉት። sentence adverb ማለት the whole clause ነው explain describe የሚያደርገው particularly አንድን verb አይደለም ወይም አንድን adjective አይደለም describe የሚያደርገው። ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ? አንደኛው sentence adverb ማለት በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይመጣና ራሱ ከሌላው አረፍተ ነገር በኮማ ይለያል። ስለዚህ አንዱ እሱ ነው። ሁለተኛ very, almost, quite በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ በፍጹም ሊመጡ አይችሉም። even though they are adverbs ቢሆንም እንኳ ይሄ ስትራክቸር አይጋብዛቸውም ነው። ስለዚህ fortunately the project was a success, right? though we had problems, ምንም እንኳ ችግር ቢኖርበትም ፕሮጀክቱ ስኬታማ ሆኗል። ስለዚህ fortunately ማለት ይሄን ሐሳብ እንዳለ የሚገልጽ ነው። blank speaking, the policy needs revision. Politically, very, to, almost. Politically speaking, honestly speaking, the policy needs revision. A kind of adverb actually. Very speaking atılım, almost speaking anılım, to speaking anılım. So politically speaking or personally speaking, honestly speaking, historically speaking, generally speaking ነው የምንለው አለ። ሰው ምንድነው ይሄ ስትሉ ያ viewpoint adverbs ነው የምትሉት። viewpoint adverbs ማለት in terms of forwarding opinions from different perspectives, right? historically, geographically, clinically, honestly, apparently, genuinely ስትጠቀሙ opinion adverbs ናቸው። ከተለያየ perspective opinion የምንገልጽባቸው። ስለዚህ politically speaking ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው። so the answer is here. The coffee was blank hot to drink immediately. yeah, actually too hot ነው የምንለው። it's common የሆነ እንግሊዘኛ ነው። she wore a blank dress, beautiful long red silk, red long beautiful silk, silk red beautiful long silk red beautiful order of adjectives ነው የጠየኳቸው። correct order of adjective please. What will be the correct order here? The first opinion ነው የሚመጣላችሁ opinion. Is there an opinion? No አይደለም። ይሄ quality ነው of course quality ነው። ከዛ ምን መጣ? ሳይዝ መጣ። ከዛ ከለር መጣ። ከዛ ማቴሪያል መጣ። የሚገለጸው ናውን አለ እዚህ ጋር ከለር መጣ። ከዛ ሳይዝ ሮንግ ነው ሊሆን አይችልም። እዚህ ጋር no ሌሎቹ are ስለዚህ the correct order here is this one please. So I can define this one. Beautiful by itself is quality adjectives, quality or opinion adjective. What about long? Size. What about red? Color. What about silk? Material or origin ነው የምትሉት correct order ይሄ ነው። ስለዚህ quality, number, quality, size, age, shape, color, origin proper adjective እና material noun plus head word እንመጣዋለን። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ነው። You blank smoke here is strictly forbidden or strictly prohibited. You mustn't smoke here is strictly prohibited. You mustn't strong prohibited ነው የሚላችሁ You mustn't smoke here. It is strictly prohibited. Don't have to smoke. It's not necessary to smoke here. You may not possibility and you need not smoke here. So what do you think is here? You mustn't smoke here. It is strictly prohibited. So you mustn't speak here. You mustn't. Yeah, right. Strong obligation ማለት don't have to ማለት not necessary doesn't need to አንድ ነው ትርጉማቸው ኒድንት ማለት ነው ማለት ግን ዶንት ሃቭ ቱ ምንድነው if you want you can do ማለት ነው yes ከፈለክ ማድረጉ አስፈላጊ አይደለም ከፈለክ ግን ማድረግ ትችላለህ ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት don't have to doesn't have to ማለት it's not necessary to do it but you can do if you want ማለት ነው doesn't need to ግን it's not necessary ማለት ነው needn't ማለት it's not necessary ኦፕሽን የለውም ማድረግ ትችላለህ ከፈለክ የሚል ትርጉም የሰጠውም እነዚህ ሁለቱ ግን ይሄን አማራጭ ስለሚሰጡ ሁለት is strictly prohibited ማለት is forbidden to do something mustn't I mustn't smoke here because it's forbidden because this is my classroom all right I mustn't smoke I mustn't speak loudly when I'm eating my lunch it's the rule of the family all right so we can do it this one she belong be at home her lights are off yeah Right, ምንድነው እያላችሁ ያለው she belong be at home her lights are off modal verb question ነው must yes right nice may can't and might so what's here must certainty or evidence may possibility or probability can't something deducing about something assumption is no right possibility unable to do something ይገልጽልኛል ይሄ ማለት ስለዚህ might of course so the answer is can't ማለት ነው deduction means assumption no my assumption is just like this please she can't be at home her lights are off ቤት ላትሆን ትችላለች ምክንያቱም መብራቱ ጠፍቷል ነው ያውቃል ስለዚህ deduct እያደረኩ ነው assume ይሆናል ብዬ የማስበው ነገር ነው so the answer is can't question number 30 this is blank movie I have ever seen most interesting the more interesting most interesting and what uninteresting ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም more interesting አይሆንም ምክንያቱም ይሄ አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር ሱፐርላቲቭ ዲግሪ አለ ማለት at least ይሄን ነው የምትጠቀሙት present perfect እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነገር ማን እንድትጠቀሙ ያደርጋቸዋል most interesting which is superlative degree No other metal is blank iron as useful as and useful than more useful most useful ለምሳሌ as useful as ማለት ፖዚቲቭ ዲግሪ ነው no other metalን ከአንድ አይረን ጋር ያወዳደርኩት ሲሚላር ናቸው አይበላለጡም ማለት ነው useful than ካልኩ ደግሞ more የሚል ስትራክቸር የለኝም ስለዚህ wrong ነው more useful no other metal is more useful than iron is wrong ስትራክቸሩ ሚስድ ሆኗል more useful than የለኝም ስለዚህ ልክ አይደለም most useful የሚያወዳድረው ነገር የለም ሁለት ነገሮች ናቸው ያሉት other metal as a group and iron as a group so as useful as right word please yeah nice if she belonged earlier shouldn't have missed the train if she belonged earlier shouldn't have missed the train Yes, right, because and a conditional question actually, conditional because the main clause completed with this structure, would have, should have, might have, could have plus verb history. So the if clause should be completed with past perfect structure and reality, unfinished, unfulfilled, or something that happened or that didn't happen in the past. Nice. Blank, you study hard, you'll know pass. Yes, blank you study hard, you'll know pass unless you study hard, which is negative condition. Unless, yeah, if you study hard, you'll know pass. No meaning at all. Yes, when you study hard, you know no meaning, but for no meaning. So unless you study hard, no meaning. Unless means except if ማለት ነው አይደል? Except if or no, except if ወይም if not ማለት ነው unless ማለት. If you do not study hard, you'll know pass ማለት ነው. If you do not study hard, you'll know pass. You'll know pass except if you study hard ማለት ነው። or unless you study hard, you'll know pass. ሶስቱም ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? unless. 33 please. 33. The letter blank by the secretary yesterday. When if you see the question, it begins with the agent, receiver, or the action, so it must be completed with passive voice. It's not the doer, we don't know the subject. It's helpful to understand the sentence. So ዝም ብዬ ጥያቄውን ሳይሆን ሪሲቨር ነው፣ አክሽን አይደለም፣ አክሽን ነው፣ አድራጊ አይደለም፣ ተደራጊ ነው። ስለዚህ yesterday was sent ብዬ ነው መልሰው ፕሊዝ። was sent, was sent, is sent። ምክንያቱም yesterday የሚል ታይም ኤክስፕሬሽን እዚህ ጋር አለ፣ ይሄ ያስገድደኛል ፕሊዝ። by next month the new bridge, please. by next month the new bridge will complete. As by next month, it is sign time expression or signal. An action will be completed with the expected time in the future. No later than this, no sooner than this. This is a very important expression to give clues, hints that how I'm going to complete or answer the question. Very important. I am obliged by this expression, please. እኔ በዚህ ጉዳይ ወሰናለሁ፣ ፍንጭ የሰጠ ጉዳይ ስለሆነ ኖርማሊ ይሄን አንተከው። ሁለተኛ it talks about the new bridge which is the action, all right, the receiver አድራጊው አይደል፣ በተደራጊው ነው የመጣው። ስለዚህ will have been completed ብዬ ነው መልሰው እንጂ will be completed or will have completed አይደለም ብለው። nice. so anyway, will have been completed, future perfect passive voice ማለት ነው። the new bridge will have been completed በሚቀጥለው ወር አዲሱ ድልድይ ይጠናቀቃል ተገንብቶ ነው እያልክ ያለው። so the answer is will have been completed. These are some questions actually, so don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment for my channel. I think other questions are completely different from the previous questions. I want to share my experience and things which are not clear or that you want to ask, that you want to know more. You can contact me through my contact address. Till then, thank you. Bye bye, please.